Okay, so I bought a new iPhone 11 for my wife, so I will unbox this, but I also bought a new case for it, so we will unbox that too in the same video. But let's start with the iPhone 11. As you can see, in black, unfortunately, it's the only color that my town has at the moment. And it also is a 64 gigabyte only, because that's also the only model that my town has now. But it's an excellent phone anyway, so let's start with an unboxing of it. This is new, I've never seen this, that these are already loose. It feels good to do this every time. I've done a few of these unboxing of iPhones during the years. It's always fun to do this. Feels great. So let's see if Apple has done an excellent packaging as usual by see if this is possible, and yes it is. As you can see, very good packaging. And here we have the iPhone 11. So let's take this. Wow, check this out. Gorgeous. Wow. So let's do that. Nice, really nice. That's the phone. What's more in the box? We have some instructions and Apple stickers. I like them. I have a few now. What's more in the box? We have a charger, as you can see here. Let's remove the plastic on that one too. Feels good. Here is the charger. And here we have some earbuds, headphones, lightning version, as you can see. The lightning version. Nice. And here we have a lightning cable for the phone, for the charger. I have a few of those too by now. Kinda short cable actually, very short. I think it's even shorter than last year's model. Okay, that's what's in the box. So let's see the phone itself again. As you can see, we have the power button on this edge, and we have the volume rockers and the mute button, and on the top we have nothing. On this side we have the SIM card slot, and the bottom we have the lightning port and stereo speakers. Very good. So let's start this beast to see that it works. Like that. So while this is starting, I can unbox the case. As you can see, a mode case made in Denmark for iPhone 11. 2-in-1, so you have a case and you can remove it from that case. As you can see here, it's removable and you have 4 credit cards there. So let's cut this. Like that. Nice packaging actually. Here is the case. Looks useful. Pretty nice fake phone actually. I like that. I can use that. And here we have some plastic. Whoops. It's removable, as I said. It's magnetic. You saw that? And here is some instructions for it. So here is the case. And now it's ready to set up. So this was it for this video. Okay, bye.